The story of sperm production is one of remarkable complexity and precision, unfolding quietly inside the male body over a period of several weeks. While the process itself is invisible to the naked eye, it is fundamental to human reproduction and male fertility. Understanding how long it takes to produce sperm and what factors can influence this intricate process sheds light on the broader landscape of male reproductive health. Sperm production, also known as spermatogenesis, takes place within the testicles, specifically inside tightly coiled tubes called seminiferous tubules. Within these microscopic structures, a highly orchestrated sequence of events transforms simple precursor cells into fully mature sperm capable of fertilizing an egg. But this transformation doesn't happen overnight. From start to finish, the journey of a single sperm cell takes, on average, about 64 to 72 days, roughly 2 to 2.5 months. The process begins with spermatogonial stem cells, primitive cells that reside along the walls of the seminiferous tubules. These cells are constantly dividing, some remaining as stem cells to keep the process going, while others commit to becoming sperm. Through mitosis, the dividing cells create identical copies, maintaining a steady supply of starting material for sperm production. As they progress, these cells enter a new phase called meiosis, where the genetic material is halved, ensuring that each sperm carries just one set of chromosomes, ready to combine with an egg's genetic contribution. As the cells move through the stages of development, they gradually morph in shape and functionality. What begins as a simple round cell transforms into the iconic streamlined form of a mature sperm, complete with a head, midpiece, and tail. The head contains tightly packed DNA, carefully packaged for delivery. The midpiece is loaded with mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses that supply the energy needed for the sperm's journey. The tail, or flagellum, provides the propulsion, enabling the sperm to swim with remarkable speed and agility. By the time a sperm cell emerges from the seminiferous tubules, roughly 64 to 72 days after its journey began, it is structurally complete, but not yet fully mature. The sperm then travel to the epididymis, a long coiled tube that sits atop each testicle. Here, they spend an additional 12 to 21 days undergoing further maturation, gaining the ability to swim and fertilize an egg. In total, from the initial division of a stem cell to the moment a sperm is ready for ejaculation, the process takes approximately 74 to 90 days. What does this timeline mean for male fertility? It means that changes in lifestyle, health, or environment can impact sperm quality and quantity, but the effects may not be immediately apparent. For example, if a man experiences a high fever, undergoes significant stress, or is exposed to toxins or radiation, it can disrupt sperm production, but the impact might not be seen in a semen analysis until 2 or 3 months later. Conversely, positive changes, such as improving diet, quitting smoking, or reducing alcohol consumption, may take several weeks to manifest in healthier sperm. Sperm production is a continuous process. The testicles are constantly producing new sperm, ensuring a steady supply. On average, a healthy male produces about 1,500 sperm every second, over 100 million sperm per day. At any given moment, several generations of sperm are in different stages of development, each on their own timeline. This relentless production is necessary because the vast majority of sperm released during ejaculation will never reach the egg. Only one, if any, will achieve fertilization. Several factors can influence the rate and quality of sperm production. Age is one such factor. While men can produce sperm throughout their lives, sperm quality and quantity tend to decline gradually with age, especially after the age of 40. Other influences include hormonal balance, overall health, and genetic factors. The hypothalamus and pituitary gland in the brain play a crucial role by releasing hormones that stimulate the testicles to produce sperm and testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. Any disruption in this hormonal axis, due to medical conditions, medications, or lifestyle factors, can impact sperm production. Temperature also plays a vital role in spermatogenesis. The testicles are housed outside the main body cavity, in the scrotum, because optimal sperm production requires a temperature slightly lower than core body temperature. Prolonged exposure to heat, such as frequent use of hot tubs or tight clothing, can impair sperm production, sometimes temporarily. This is why one of the first recommendations for men concerned about fertility is to avoid overheating the testicular area. Nutrition is another key factor. Diets rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals support healthy sperm development, while deficiencies in nutrients such as zinc, selenium, or folate can have a negative impact. Regular exercise and maintaining a healthy weight further support reproductive health, while obesity, drug use, and excessive alcohol consumption have all been linked to reduced sperm quality. Understanding the timeline and the factors influencing sperm production is crucial for couples trying to conceive. It's important to remember that male fertility is not just about sperm count, but also about sperm motility, how well the sperm swim, and morphology, the shape and structure of the sperm. All of these parameters can be affected by lifestyle choices and health conditions. For men facing fertility challenges, patience is key. Because of the 2 to 3 month cycle of sperm production, interventions or lifestyle changes require time to show results. Physicians often recommend waiting at least 3 months after making changes before reassessing sperm health with a new semen analysis. In summary, the production of sperm is a marvel of human biology, requiring 2 to 3 months for each new generation to mature. This extensive timeline highlights the importance of long-term health and well-being for male fertility. By understanding how sperm are produced and what factors can influence their development, men can take proactive steps to support their reproductive health and increase their chances of successful conception. The journey of each sperm, from the very first cell division to the moment it has the potential to create new life, is a testament to the intricate and resilient nature of human reproduction.